When you get a cut, burn, or scrape on the skin, what's your go-to product that speeds up your skin recovery every single time? For me, it's this one right here. This is the Avène Cyclophate Restorative and Protective Cream. Thank you so much to Avène for kindly sponsoring this video so I could tell you guys all about it. You guys have actually already heard me talk about this product before in a previous video where we talked about what you can use if you ever have to go through skin recovery from chemotherapy or radiation. It was the video that we did featuring my beautiful mom who was diagnosed earlier last year with breast cancer. And this was definitely her go-to product following her surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. So it has a very special place in my heart. But I've actually been using this product for many years. Starting when I first had babies, this was something that we used for Ethan in his diaper area, and I continued using it with Nyla. I also start using it for myself anytime I get a cut, scrape, or burn. It's my go-to because it helps to really speed up the skin recovery. And you guys already know I'm a huge Avène stan. I talk about their products all the time. I even carry them in my office. They just make fantastic products. So I'm super excited to dive into this one today. As a busy mom, I am literally always on the go, and this product stays with me in my bag because it's such a versatile product. It is a multitasker. You can use it for so many things, and everyone in the family can use it, from the infants to the kids, the adults, and the grandparents. So let's talk about all the different ways that we use this in my house and how I think that it can benefit the great majority of you guys. Here's what we know, guys. Future skin injuries are going to happen, and what you reach for immediately after can make a huge difference in the speed up and recovery of your skin, how your skin will appear and function afterwards. And anyone who is melanin rich knows how easy that can become a hyperpigmented scar. So reaching for something that can help to speed up the recovery, move you through the inflammatory process much quicker, that's anti-inflammatory, is a key, a go-to, and this is why I love this product. All right, so a life happened and you ended up with a little injury, and now your wound is starting to form. There are 4 phases of wound healing. The first phase is hemostasis, the second phase is inflammation, the third phase is proliferation, and the fourth phase is remodeling. It's the second and third phases that can go real sideways for us with melanin-rich skin. Inflammation, right? So this is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that we've been preaching about for the whole time on this channel. We want to move through inflammation as quickly as possible. We do need some inflammatory cells. They're what is important in wound healing, but we don't need to stay and linger in this inflammatory state. We want to kind of move past it as quickly as possible. Then there is the proliferation. So this can go a little bit haywire when we have overzealous collagen and elastin bundles, which those with melanin-rich skin tend to have. This is where we get a little bit more keloid formation than our counterparts who don't necessarily have as much melanin. So what you reach for really does matter when these injuries happen. You want something that can speed up the skin recovery, moving you past those inflammatory stages and past the proliferation stage, or help you to assist in those stages much easier. So what's incredible about the Cyclophate Restorative Protective Cream is that it yields 4 times faster skin recovery via 3 main technologies. It has a C Restore, which is a new postbiotic ingredient that helps to support skin recovery. It also has copper and zinc, which is why it's got this white color here. They promote and maintain skin environment for optimal recovery. Plus the thermal spring water, which helps calm, soften, and soothe the skin from any discomfort. Don't worry, the white does rub in. So that really nice occlusive texture helps to protect the skin from external aggressors and maintains the proper moisture levels that's really important for skin restoration. So let's talk about all the different ways that I use Cyclophate as a board-certified dermatologist. So it's really great for any dry patches on the skin. Rough knees, dry elbows, dry feet, cracked heels, incredible for that. In my house, literally everyone is eczema prone, so this is in every single bathroom of the house, but I do carry it in my office as well. This is actually the #1 product that I recommend for my new mamas who have infants because it's formulated to minimize the risk of allergic reaction. It's free of fragrance, it's free of wheat, and it's non-comedogenic. So all of the things that you just want to be really careful about when you have that fresh new little baby with their sensitive skin. And you will definitely find this in my personal medicine cabinet because your girl is prone to getting cuts, burns, and nicks and scrapes. This little thing just happened while playing hide and go seek with my children. So I use it all the time and it's actually healing pretty beautifully. This is only day number 2. For my friends who spent a little bit too much time in the sun, you can use this for your sunburns. If you are getting nicks or if you're getting razor burns following shaving, it's really good for that. For the face, for the legs, bodies, the personal, intimate areas, it's incredible for any type of post-razor burn. Not only will it help it to heal faster, but it will also soothe the skin and can calm any visible signs of redness or a dark purple if you are a different skin tone on the body. One of the areas that tends to be pretty tough to find the right product for is if you have any chapped or chapped skin around the mouth. You need something effective, but you need something that is still going to be gentle enough for this really sensitive skin. I love this product for that. And as previously mentioned, my first experience with Cyclophate was actually a gift during my baby shower. One of my coworkers swore by it for a diaper rash or a diaper area, and it does indeed work for this. It's one of the things that I recommend for my patients all the time. But even as a mama, it is what I personally used for both of my babies. Now, granted, my kids didn't suffer with diaper rash, or they have a mother as a dermatologist. But we did use this for any type of skin sensitivities or just in this area if they needed a little bit of extra love. It was definitely my go-to product and something that I often recommend. Now here in South Florida, my patients are all about products that they can use to help to speed up the recovery process. So we actually use this post-procedure. We're using this following chemical peels, stitches, cryotherapy, laser resurfacing, laser hair removal, you name it, we use it. Even we use it following injectables or microneedling because it can help to speed up the skin recovery. No one wants to deal with skin irritation or discomfort if they don't have to, so we love this product for that. Also, it helps with any visible signs of redness, so again, we love this product for that. Overall, guys, I'm super excited that Avène has improved an already fantastic product. They are staying on the cutting edge of research, and we are finding out there's way more connection between gut health and skin microbes, so I am not surprised to hear that this new postbiotic ingredient found in the Avène Thermal Spring Water is speeding up skin recovery. I'm going to link some papers down below for anyone who likes to nerd out like me. If you want to see the research, the studies, the data, the clinical evidence, I'll link it down below. I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and at least you now know the product you should definitely have in your cabinet whenever you get any type of skin injury to speed up that skin recovery. I hope this video helped you guys. Until next time, be well.